London once got hit by a tsunami of beer. It was 1814 and one London brewery had a massive vat filled with porter. Then one of the iron hoops holding it together suddenly broke. A brewery worker reported it. But nobody thought it was a big deal. About an hour later, the entire vat burst, and a giant wave of beer came crashing through the streets. Buildings were destroyed, homes were flooded, and 8 people lost their lives. But here's the crazy part. The brewery eventually reopened. So yes, London once had a beer flood, and somehow that's a real sentence.